Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to expand and simplify. This will be an easy tutorial for expanding brackets. Okay, now with regards to expanding and simplifying, the first step is obviously going to be to expand, and then it's going to be to simplify. So if you want to learn how to do that in math, this is the video for you. I'm going to be going over two simple examples and showing you exactly how to do it. So for the first example, we're going to do this. I'm going to make sure we're always on camera, so bear with me. We're going to do 2, okay, and then in brackets we're going to have b plus 5, and then on the other side we're going to have plus, and then 3, and then in brackets d plus 3, okay? So that is our first equation that we're going to work with. Now, what we're going to do is essentially we need to take the number outside of the bracket, and we need to apply it to both of the terms inside of the bracket. So follow along with me, okay? The 2 goes towards the b, okay? 2 times b is 2b. Very straightforward. Then 2 times 5 is going to be 10, okay? And it's 2 times positive 5, so it's going to be positive 10. So positive 10 right there. So 2b plus 10 is the first part, okay? Then we're going to bring down the plus over there. And then now we have 3 times d is 3d. And then 3 times 3 is positive 9. Very simple. So now we've basically expanded this to 2b plus 10 plus 3d plus 9, okay? Now we're going to actually simplify. So we've already done the expanding. Now we're going to simplify. So 2b and 3d are the figures that have letters in them. They cannot be combined because b and d are not the same. So we're going to leave them as is. We're going to just basically bring them down. So we're going to bring the 2b down, okay? And then plus 3d. They can't be combined. And I did not do that on purpose, 3D, like three-dimensional. But now that I did it, it looks kind of cool. So 3D and 2b can't be combined. We just brought them down. Plus, okay, we're bringing down the plus from here. We can combine the numbers plus 10 and plus 9. So it's 10 plus 9, okay? I'm going to put those in brackets, 10 plus 9. Now we're going to bring this down, 2b plus 3d, and then plus, what is 10 plus 9? It's 19. There's your final equation. We've expanded and simplified. 2b plus 3d plus 19. There you go. Very simple. Now that is when you don't have like terms. So the terms that we had 2b and 3d, the b and the d are not like. They're not the same, okay? Now we're going to look at ones with the same terms. So I'm going to give you another example over here on the right-hand side. We're going to do 4, and then in brackets, we're going to do x plus 3, and then we'll do plus 5, and then in brackets, x minus 4. Now, just for full disclosure, I have all of this written down. I did it separately on a separate sheet of paper with my notes, so I'm not coming up with this on the spot, but I did come up with these on that other sheet of paper. Just so you know, I'm looking to the side when I'm writing it down, so hopefully I'm not making any errors. So let's go ahead. Now we have 4 times x, which is 4x, okay? Then 4 times 3 is 12. So 4x plus 12, okay? Very simple, 4x plus 12. And then we're gonna bring down the plus over here, and we have 5 times x, which is 5x. Now is where it gets just a little tricky, okay? Sorry about that, I had to cough right there. Now we have 5 times minus 4. Now we have a positive times a negative. When you have a positive times a negative, your answer is going to be negative. So positive 5 times negative 4 is going to be negative 20. So we're going to write down negative 20 right there. Negative 20 right there. So far we have 4x plus 12 plus 5x minus 20, okay? Very simple. Now what we're going to do is we're going to combine the like terms. 4x plus 5x is 4x plus 5x is 9x, because 4 plus 5 is 9, and they both have x's right there. So we have 9x, okay? Now we just need to look at these two terms here, the positive 12 and the minus 20. So we have plus 12 minus 20. So 12 minus 20 is a negative 8. So negative 8 is what we put there. There you go. 9x minus 8 is our final equation. That's it. That is literally how to expand and simplify. I've given you 2 separate examples. It's really easy to do. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.